Here is a beautiful 2019 Chevy Silverado 4-wheel drive, 4-door. Beautiful truck. 56,000 original miles. We took this truck in trade. Truck is like new, inside and out. Beautiful 4x4, clean title, clean Carfax. Beautiful all the way around. Good tires, no accidents, no stories. Tow package. It's got the rear bed tonneau cover. I'll give you the tour of the whole truck. Goodyear Wrangler tires. They're a little better than 50% good on this truck. It does have clear vehicle protection film on it. There's one little spot that has a nick in the protection film, not on the paint. It's a beautiful truck. Gorgeous blue. Chrome side steps, alloy wheels, 18-inch, 4-wheel drive. Beautiful inside and out. Runs and drives excellent. It was fully serviced, ready to go. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. It's a 5.3 liter V8, 4-wheel drive, 2019 Chevy Silverado LT. It does have the power tailgate with the rear backup camera system. Has all the original manuals, 2 key fobs, original window sticker. This truck's gorgeous. Very, very, very little wear and tear for the year and mileage. Gorgeous inside and out, beautiful black interior, power seats, rubber floor mats. Two key fobs, fully loaded, 56,407 miles. Truck is like new, inside and out, is beautiful, detailed, ready to go, needs nothing. Jump in this thing and go. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. We do help with shipping to anywhere in the world. We do also accept any type of trade-ins. This is a retractable tonneau cover with the Chevy emblem right in here. Awesome setup, folds up and folds back out so you could use the full use of the bed. Tow package, 4-wheel drive. It's got the chrome accents all over it. Beautiful looking truck. Gorgeous color. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. You have any questions or concerns, happy to help. 2019 Silverado. This is the new style Silverado. In 2019 they had the classic or the new style. This is the new style. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We've been in business 45 years. There's really nothing for me to point out on this side. The truck looks immaculate inside and out. One little bug chip in the hood. And that's about it. This truck is like new. A little bug chip here in the quarter panel. Other than that, I can't find anything else to show you. Excellent inside and out. Don't hesitate to give us a call. Send us an email. Text us, 954-561-2499. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. Awesome 2019 Silverado 4-wheel drive. Beautiful. Got the big screen. Runs and drives beautifully. Tow package, ready to go. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. We're happy to help at any time. Thank you.